Today I am going to show you how to make an aeroplane. Look at this. These two papers like this. Fold it like this. Both then down like this. These two corners to here. Like this. Then this thing here up to here like this. Like this. Then like this. Do like this. Do other side also. Now your aeroplane is ready. Let's take it out.